Okay. Alright. So when you log in for the first time, you have something like this. So for this strategy, you just go to click here where you see a volatility 101 second. Go to volatility 75. You can make it a favorite by clicking the star. So that next time you can just click on favorites and you have it right there. Okay. The next thing you do is to add your indicators. Only one indicator we need, and it's called RSI, Relative Strength Index. You don't have to do anything on the Relative Strength Index except to move the period from 14 to 21 and then leave the levels at 80 and 20. 80 and 20. At level 20, it is the oversold level. At level 80 is the overbought level, and I'll explain that in a few seconds. The next thing you need to do is to add your drawing tool, and we're going to go for just one tool, the trend tool. Once you click on the trend tool, select the highest point on your trade chart and then drag as farthest as possible. On this program, okay, so if you look at this trend tool, you notice there are 3 sections. Let me remove this thing that is following my cursor. I can remove it by clicking on this knife tool. It's gone. Okay, so there are 3 sections. There's the first upper level, the middle, and the lower level. If you notice carefully, it has gone beyond this, so we just keep moving this forward. Not dragging, but just drag this part. So we drag this part forward. Okay. You can zoom out with this and this. Zoom in and out with this. Okay. So we drag this to the very end of it. Now, this is the first top level. You notice that the highest point where it reverses from is at this point, and the lowest point where it bounces back off from is at this point. But between here and here also, it makes decisions of either bouncing back up or bouncing back down. So what we are going to do is, when we look at the general market trend, if it is going up, we'll be looking for buying opportunities. This rise is also known as buy, where you predict that the market will go up. See the arrow up, and when you successfully predict, you're going to get 95.3% as at now, 0.2% of whatever you stake. So if you stake $10 like we have here by default, and we say up, and it actually goes up in 5 ticks, the duration, which we can change to 3 or change to 10, or actually take it to minutes, from 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, all the way to 50 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you want to do. Okay, let's leave it at 1 minute, and let's say we are going for a buy, because the general market trend, if you look carefully, is a buy trend. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to bounce off at this point. That's first confirmation. Second confirmation is when you look at the RSI. This is your RSI indicator window. From here down. From here down. Okay. See the 80% level, see the 20% level. When it hits 80%, it is called the overbought zone. Overbought zone, meaning the market has bought so much, the next option, the next popular option is a sell. It's not compulsory to sell it. This is forex market. When it hits the 20% level, it is in the oversold zone, meaning the market has been selling for a while. It is ready to change direction. So for us here now, we want a situation where the market hits either this lowest point or this middle point, or even bounces off here to go back up, and also at the same time we are around the oversold zone so that we can buy. Okay, that's what we are looking for. When we have that confirmation, we can go for a trade. I'm going to wait for an opportunity to buy or sell here. Now it's on 70% and it's about to hit the top, so I can actually say, okay, let me do a fall for 1 minute, but that's a risk. I'm supposed to do a buy because the general trend is buy. So if I had done a sell, you see it's pushing beyond my limits, going even further. So let me wait for it to come down maybe hit this point, it will bounce off, especially if this is around 30 or below. So you see it is coming down to 51, 49, okay, 43, and it has broken this line, so we're waiting for it to either bounce off here. Okay, it may not get there again. Alright, it has crossed again. So it might bounce off here around this area. Now we have 38, 41, 37, so get ready to do an up trend, a buy. Okay, so you can just enter a buy. It's better if this is below 30 towards 20, and if this is hitting on the lowest point. Or yeah, we can actually take that risk. It's safe since we are doing a buy and the general trend is a buy. So after 1 minute, we expected to have a profit of 95% of $10 if the market ends above our entry point. Right now it's below our entry point. That's crossed, and we see our potential profits here. Is not yet our profit. If the market closes with our entry point under the way the market is, then we win. So we have 13 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we win. I think, yeah, we've won. What did we make? We made $9.54 right here. That is how you trade this strategy. Okay.